What's my video?
Oh my God.
Hold on, Reese. Hey, who's this from?
Who are you doing?
Cat.
You do her.
Okay.
No.
You ready?
Who's it from?
Who's it from?
Cat.
What do you tell Nana Cat?
Thank you very much.
Tell her Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Open. Very good.
Lily. Hold on. Don't show me what's yours is, Reese.
I didn't know that tape was going to be such a problem over there, Twig Arms.
Here.
Just set. I'll get it here. Just set it on top of that other paper.
I get this one. You got buckwheat. Be quiet. I got a medium buckwheat. And Levitown. Yeah. Thank you, Nana Cat. Okay. I've been wanting them.
Perfect.
Well, I got buckwheat. You have buckwheat now.
Do you have a buckwheat?
Yeah, Reese has a small one like this size.
Oh yeah?
And I have Neptune.
Neptune's pretty cute.
One more. One more present.
What you got in there? Who is that?
Lily has it. And you.
You know what that is?
Tundra. Thank you, Nana Cat.
Look at the thing.
Thank you.
What's your other thing?
What's that other thing? What is that? Do you know what it is? What is it?
Yeah, I can't.
Take it out of the plastic. Put it on your hand.
You use it for baseball.
Here, you might help her, Jim.
It's for baseball.
She's going at it
no, I
wrong.
don't like it.
She wants to leave it in there. She's got another present to open.
Lily, you have this.
Who is that?
Tundra. I think I would like that. Lily, are you going to keep yours out? I meant Lily. No.
Here, let me have your paper, baby.
I got Neptune. Woohoo!
Reese, you're so neat and organized over there.
All right.
Don't tell me.
What is it, Reese?
Look at my cards! Ooh,
Is that hair chalk? What do you do with hair chalk?
Put it in your hair.
No way.
Mommy, look, I can make headbands and stuff with my hair accessories. Yay! I love it. Thank you, Nana Cat. Thank you, Nana Cat.